in a specialty practice, if I analyze my practice, more than 40-50% patients are macular disorders. And even if you see general ophthalmology practice, there is a substantial number. And the reason we started this course was because of advancements in diagnostic technology, OCT, Octa, so many things have come up. There has been a shift in diagnosis also and management also. So instead of giving, controlled studies, what I have done this time is to have my approach in 5-6 common conditions. You can't cover everything. My approach to CSR, my approach to CNVM. Once a patient comes, what do you do? You take him to the camera, you take him to the Octa machine, you take him where? And after that, what do you do further? So basic aim was to offer to the patient the best possible diagnostic as well as therapeutic. So I have, lined up a very nice faculty with Dr. Raju already here. So we will not go into all the studies and what, RCTs have told. We'll go that he will tell what is CSR and how do we approach this. So with this, I think we'll start, and we have Anand, Dinesh, Mallika, everyone, who will tell about the common disorders, which include CSR, CNVM, DME, RVO, and macular hole. Macular hole also I have not covered the routine macular hole. I have listed my extra large macular hole, because the definition of small macular hole is 200, large macular hole is 400. Whatever practice we get all 900, 1000 to 1400. So how to approach them? Because the conventional management may not succeed. So therefore, we have taken only extra large